Elevate Roofing and Exteriors are hiring sales representatives in your area. Why work for Elevate? We have direct sales opportunities available in North Carolina, South Carolina, and Florida. We are a 10-year established family company with a reputation for quality and fairness. We are an organization you will be proud to represent. You will receive access to the Elevate Roofing and Exteriors University with over 1,000 online training videos to help you be the best that you can be. You will be part of a forward-thinking team where we encourage each other to succeed. You will work alongside your branch manager and senior representatives who will be more than happy to assist and guide you. Elevate Roofing and Exteriors have one of the most competitive, uncapped commission structures in the industry, including many bonus and competition opportunities. We have many progression opportunities available, including branch and regional manager positions. We promote from within. For more information, email mike@roofwithelevate.com.